Unraveling the mystery of "That's a Jinx" in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, "That's a jinx." This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding its meaning and usage can be really fun and insightful. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. "That's a jinx" is an expression used when someone mentions an outcome or event, and another person believes that merely talking about it might cause that outcome to happen, usually in a negative way. For example, if you say, "I haven't been sick all year," and someone replies with, "That's a jinx," they mean that by mentioning your good health, you might unintentionally cause the opposite to happen. The term jinx originally refers to a superstition where certain words, actions, or presence of certain people are believed to bring bad luck. It's a concept that exists in various cultures, though the specifics might differ. In English, calling something a jinx is often light-hearted and not taken too seriously. It's more about acknowledging the odd coincidence than a firm belief in the superstition. When you use the phrase, "That's a jinx," it's important to understand the context and tone. It's usually used among friends or in informal settings. It's also often used humorously, so it's crucial to ensure that the person you're speaking to understands the light-hearted nature of this expression. There are variations like, "Don't jinx it," or simply, "Jinx." These are used in similar contexts, where there's a playful acknowledgement that discussing a positive streak might end it. In some social settings, if two people say the same thing simultaneously, one might say, "Jinx," and the other person might be playfully obligated to remain silent until their name is said. We hope this exploration of "That's a jinx" has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases not only improves your language skills but also gives you a glimpse into the cultural nuances of English-speaking communities. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun with the language. Until next time, happy learning!